Okay, so just so you guys know, at the end of this video I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway from last week. So anyway, hope you enjoy. Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are here at Three Sisters, and yes, I've got a really cool Team Hard polo on. But yeah, it's looking a little bit greasy this morning, but should dry up. There's loads of people here. I think there's like more than 50 people here, which is going to be amazing. We get some mad trains going. It's going to be awesome. So anyway, let's go out on our first run. Okay guys, so you probably will remember Yo has started his own little brand, little company, PH Drift. Tell us about that. Oh,
so it's a lot of fun. It's focused on fun, Max, like we had. It's just to show everyone, you guys, why are we doing it? You know, there's a reason. Why are you doing it, Max?
Because I love it.
Exactly, okay? We all love it, but there's a reason. So that's the main idea, but also it looks really cool. I hope you like it.
Yeah, it does look cool.
Yes, and hopefully we'll take you guys around the world. So keep Max watching because he's gonna kill it in Drift Cup, and I'll be following him as well.
Yeah. Alright guys, we were just chasing down Tom Van Beek, and I did get a little bit too close, and I ended up taking his back bumper off and busting mine up a bit. I mean, it was mostly just fiberglass together, but yeah, that's a bit gone. There's no actual damage, but yeah, no, I've cracked up my bumper. Hopefully I'll get a new one. But yeah, anyway, let's carry on going out. See you then. Okay, so now it is time to announce the competition winner. So I've got my little box here with all different names in it. So anyway, let's just pick one out. I'm not even gonna look. Gonna try rumble about a bit. Try get one out. Okay, I've got one or two here. Looks like no, it's just one. Right. Okay. Here we go. Can I do this with one hand? So the winner is Simon Holding. Here you go. So anyway, please get in touch with me and I'll make sure I'll send you all the stuff. Really cool t-shirt, loads of cool little things. So anyway, thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.